If your Nintendo Switch 2 is running out of storage, you can't just grab any old microSD card. You need a microSD Express card, and the wrong choice could cost you extra money or slow load times. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. With games getting bigger on the Switch 2, extra storage is a must, and regular microSD cards won't cut it anymore. The Switch 2 requires microSD Express cards. These are faster and use SSD-like technology, so your games load quicker and feel smoother. The best pick is the Lexar Play Pro 512GB. It delivers consistent fast performance, has a lifetime warranty, and is made by a trusted brand. With the 512GB version costing $150, it's not the absolute cheapest, but it is reliable and easy to find. On the budget side, On a microSD Express is a 512GB model for only $85. It's way cheaper than most, but a bit slower than the Lexar, but you probably won't notice it in normal gameplay. And why microSD Express is also one of the fastest cards, especially when you're moving games back to internal storage. Some key features to know while getting an SD card is performance differences between cards are small and actual games. Prices are high right now because of the AI chip shortage. Getting a 512GB chip as 1 TB is nice, but very expensive. So, which microSD card are you getting for your Switch 2? Drop your choice and current storage situation in the comments. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tips and tech guides.